Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable nightlight on MSI Claw. And to do this, first we'll need to click right here on the icon for our sound and the battery. Inside you should be able to find the nightlight. If not, we can click on this pen button and that way add a different icon, which is the nightlight. And here you'll be able to activate or deactivate nightlight much quicker. And the other way to do it is to click on the start. Inside, move to the settings. Here select the system, display, and there's a nightlight that we can activate or deactivate. There's also option to click on the arrow next to it to adjust the strength of a nightlight and also schedule it for a night by turning on right here, and then you can set it. It automatically detects when there's a sunset and when it's the sunrise, or set the hours manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.